How to send money with MoneyGram. Let's dive right into it. To initiate a money transfer with MoneyGram, you need to select the recipient from your contact list on the home screen. In case you don't have any contacts in your MoneyGram app yet, click on the red plus icon located at the top left corner. By doing so, you can enter the person's name and add them as a contact before proceeding with the money transfer. Ensure that you enter the recipient's complete name exactly as it appears on their identification document. It is even better if you can request a picture of their ID. This precaution is crucial because if the name on their ID does not match the name provided for the MoneyGram transfer, there is a high likelihood that they will be unable to collect the funds. However, if the recipient's ID includes a middle name, it is essential to include it when sending the money. For instance, if their ID displays the name John William Smith, but you only send it to John Smith, they will encounter difficulties when attempting to collect the funds. Now, let's proceed to close the window. Once you have successfully added the contact, their name will appear in this section. Simply click on their name where it says Send Money. Next, you can specify the amount you wish to send to that individual using your current currency. Please keep in mind that the MoneyGram offers various options for sending money to the recipient. When using MoneyGram, there will be a charge applicable. However, it's worth noting that they occasionally offer promotions where no fee is charged, as visible in the example shown. Therefore, select the option that offers the most favorable time frame and fee structure for your specific needs. If you choose to use a credit card, the estimated delivery time ranges from 0 to 7 business days. In this case, we will opt for the cash pickup method. Alright, the estimated availability of the funds is mentioned to be within a few minutes. Although using a credit card is an option, it incurs a higher fee as indicated. Another option is to visit a physical MoneyGram location. Personally, I prefer using my debit card since it carries a lower fee and provides quicker availability of the funds. Interestingly, as we were recording this video, you can observe that the display amount has decreased. As you can see here, the displayed amount reverts back to an amount and may continue to decrease. This amount depends on the current exchange rate, which changes from time to time, although very small changes from my experience. What I'm going to do here is I will just add a higher amount than what I originally wanted, and that's going to be fine too. Once you have decided on the amount you'd like to send and selected the payment method, simply scroll down. Take a moment to review the information and ensure everything appears accurate before proceeding. The transaction fee displayed appears to be $1.99, but it is being waived because of a discount promo. So let's proceed by clicking on the next button. In the next step, you will be required to enter your 16-digit debit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the address provided here matches the address associated with your debit card on file. Alright, I have entered all the required details, and now I will click on the red Next button located at the bottom. Moving to the next page, it emphasizes the importance of not sending money to unknown individuals due to the risk of scams. Take the time to carefully read through these warnings and then proceed by clicking on the Next button at the bottom. There is an additional alert reminding you to avoid purchasing anything from telemarketers using MoneyGram. Take the time to read through this information and then proceed to answer the question provided. Okay, now we have reached the final confirmation page. Take a moment to carefully review all the details and ensure everything appears accurate. If you're still ready to proceed with sending money through MoneyGram, click on the red Submit Transaction button. MoneyGram sent me a text message to confirm my identity for this request. I will enter the code provided and click on the Verify button. After that, a confirmation screen will appear, displaying the reference number. It's important to remember, this number as the recipient will require this reference number to collect the money sent through MoneyGram. The transaction details are also displayed, including the amount sent and the recipient's information. Alright, as you can see here, the funds are now ready for pickup by the recipient. They will require the reference number conveniently provided right here, as well as a valid identification, typically their passport or the accepted ID in their country. So there you have it everyone, and that's how you can send money with MoneyGram. Thank you so much for watching!